This is the Choetech Fast Wireless Charging Stand. Okay, so carrying on with our trend of wireless chargers, we've looked at another couple of chargers recently. This is the Choetech Fast Wireless Charging Stand. It's the kind of thing for on your desk beside your computer, so your phone's sitting there looking at you and getting as much out of the charge as possible. So we have, this is the model T520. Charging input is 5 volts, 2 amps, and the charging output is 10 watts. The operating distance is 8 millimeters, so I guess that's the thickness of your case then, and the conversion efficiency is 72%. Greater or less than 72%, and the weight is 115 grams. Not much else there. Currently it's on sale for £16.99, reduced from £30, which is a rather tasty little reduction there. And that's the stand. Also inside the box we get a micro USB cable, making the most of the older technology. A panda, your opinion counts, and an instruction booklet that I'm not even going to bother taking out. Right, so first up, we'll hook this up and see how it goes. So it's just a standard micro USB cable. Chuck that into there. And there's our stand. No flexibility to it whatsoever, just a stand. It looks a bit like a calculator, to be honest. Calculator set on another smaller calculator. It's black plastic. It says Choetech on the top, has 4 rubber feet on the bottom. Fast wireless charging stand. Model T, all that stuff that's written on the box as well. CAFCC and made in China. Appears to be maybe an LED or something across there. And other than that, we have the micro USB charging port on the back. A couple of screws for you to be able to open it up and change the batteries in the calculator. And that's it. We set it down. Plug her in. There we go. We got the LED glowing. It's a kind of cyany turquoise color. No, it's changed to blue. Does it change color again? Maybe to green? Apparently not. And then we can drop our wireless charging device onto it. So we have a rather nice green LED across the bottom now to show that it is charging. Our device is currently at 100% because I've just taken it off charging as this arrived. But we're going to run some tests on it and see how fast it charges. I will drain my battery and then stick it on charge. So we'll get a written review up in the next couple of weeks. Let me know if you have any questions. Hit that subscribe button. Give us a wee thumbs up if you fancy. And other than that, take care.